Hello, I'm Dudley Thompson and welcome to our continuous coverage of the Hagley Park Road Improvement Project. We are here along Spanist Town Road. Here earlier, we showed the work that was taking place here where they're removing sections of the Jersey wall and replacing them with curb wall. As you can see, the road is now completed here along the Spanist Town Road. The Jersey wall that runs along, going up to the bridge. A section was replaced with curb wall, as you can see here along Spanist Town Road. The curb wall from another angle. And the newly installed is the curb wall, Jersey barrier from another angle. You can see here. And you can see where the Jersey wall was. And right beside it is the curb wall here along Spanist Town Road. Just across from Lee Mason. At the end of the curb wall is a pedestrian crossing as you exit the Davos Garden community, the known as Spain land. Pedestrian crossing along the roadway. The sign there, very interesting. Here I see the radius here along Spanist Town Road, just across from Tools Hardware. Heading back to 3 miles. There is evidence of work. And that took place earlier on the roadway. Soft cuttings by the drain, as you can see. And persons are destroying the reflectors here on the light pole to assist motorists. You can see damage there. So here is dark at nights. And on this light pole as well, you can see reflectors being torn off and pieces on the ground. You can see reflector is all gone. Basically, work took place here as well, and these 2 stones are placed to warn motorists not to drive over the drain covers. And again, viewers, feel free to like, share and subscribe to our channel. We are now at the old Musson complex. There is evident that some leveling of the land took place earlier. Not sure exactly what will be happening here. As soon as we get word, we'll pass them on to you. But some work took place on the land, as you can see, at the old Musson Jamaica Limited complex. We are now at the 3-mile taxi stand, where some work took place yesterday. At the 3-mile taxi stand.